as you can see in my short video, I think I put some buyer was, we sold our house there. We sold our house. So homeless na tayo guys, mag homeless na kita. Ana ba? Sige lang, basta lang naikaabang okay ra. Basta naikaabang okay ra. Ang problema gway ikaabang maojud na problema, no? So thank you so much. If you are speaking Bisaya, Tagalog, English, all over the world, welcome. Thank you for the 3 thumbs up, guys. Thank you for the 3 thumbs up. Thank you so much. And also, Dinsmark, I will visit your channel too. Do you have a Facebook page? Do you have a Facebook page? Dinsmax TV? Just visit on me and comment so I can go to your Facebook page. So just Ninita Car in Facebook, Ninita Car. So thank you for the 3 thumbs up, for the 3 viewers. Thank you for the silent viewers. So Charmelein, you don't have your class yet, so it's good. You're not doing schooling yet. When is your school starting? And here in Cebu is already started. Yeah, school starting already, but some school is not starting here in the US. In the Philippines. Thanks ahead too. Thanks ahead, says Dinsmax. Okay, thank you. August 12 or 13 pa po yung amin. Ganon ba? Siguro ganon din sa US. Kasi yung iba already started school. Your cousin Aiki is already started school here in Liloan. So I thought everyone is already doing school. So okay lang guys. I am here in the Philippines, and the Philippines give me gray hairs. Tingnan mo guys, nag-gray hairs na ako. So na may uban na gyud, nag-uban. Okay lang, wisdom. Gray hairs, wisdom. So shout out to all the ladies that have a lot of gray hair, a lot sa daghang uban. Shout out sa mga babae nga daghang uban. Diri pod na school na start na last July. Sa yuha gyud inyo hagod. Dili day magkaparehas diri. Dili it's not all the same date that the school starting. Ang uban next week pa lagi. July, August naman taron, August August 7. No, it's not 7. August 6. Depende po kasi siya sa school. Iba-iba pala ang school mag-start. I see. Oo, nandito na ako. Nakakita na kayo dito sa ano ko sa room ko dito. Yung mga damit ko dyan, mga damit. Yan, mga damit ko niya na ang pub elementary o high school nag-start na last July 29. Ganun ba? Well, shout out to all the students that already starting school. Have a blessed school year. You have a blessed school year 2024-2025. Study hard para makapasa kayo sa mga subject nyo. So shout out na lang sa inyong lahat. Shout out to all my students, my students. Kasi guys, when I was in the US, I homeschool my kids. I homeschool all my kids, even though I'm not a teacher. Since kindergarten